Hi, my name is Ralph George and I'm the creator and founder of SmileFy. With the new SmileFy update, you can create a digital wax-up in minutes using an advanced, streamlined workflow powered by cutting-edge technology. Our AI modules analyze the occlusal curve from the intraoral scan and provide two options: an ideal symmetric curve or one that aligns with the patient's natural arch. Once you select your preferred option, the system automatically generates a 3D smile design tailored to your patient's facial characteristics. You'll have all the tools needed to adjust, customize, and finalize the digital wax-up with precision. The cross-section features ensure quality control by allowing you to evaluate and refine your design with real-time automated measurements. The Edit Mesh module provides powerful brush tools that allow you to easily modify and adjust the mesh while preserving its morphology at the highest quality. Our unique 3D rendering technology brings smiles to life with natural colors and realistic light reflections, providing a highly accurate and lifelike visualization. When completed, the file is ready for export and optimized for seamless 3D printing.